Welcome! Today we'll look at how you can build trust and lower the risk of payment failures by up to 40% by showing your business name on your customers' bank statements. Let's get started and show you how to select this add-on in your dashboard. Go to Settings at the top of the screen. Click Plan and Add-ons. Under Optional Add-ons, choose Add. Type in your business name. This should reflect your business so your customers recognize who they're paying. Now click Continue. Next, you'll need to set up a direct debit to pay for your add-on, which is billed at £50 per month. Click Set up direct debit. Find the right address in the drop-down and click Continue. Then add your sort code and account number. And click Continue. Check all the details are correct and select Set up this direct debit. Then click Set up direct debit to confirm. You'll then receive an email like this confirming your request, which usually takes about 2 weeks to be processed by the Go Cardless team. And we'll also send you an update once the add-on has been enabled. Here's a mock-up of how your customers' bank statements will look before and after you add your business name. Thanks for watching.